Squarespace sites can display special author profiles to help readers connect to a blog post's writer. Author profiles automatically pull information, like the profile picture and bio, from your site's contributor profiles and basic author profiles. Contributors are people who have access to post content to your blog, and basic authors are people who don't have access to post content to your blog. To add a basic author, first open the Permissions and Ownership panel. Click Add Basic Author. Add details such as an author profile picture, display name, website address, and a bio. Remember to click Save. To add an author profile to a blog post, go to any blog post and click Edit. Hover over the post and click Edit section. Here you can toggle Show Author Profile on or off. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.